In my first video, we determined the bellows probably need re-leathering and the sticky keys need to be addressed. The side panel on the left side is easily removed on this organ. Here you can see the results of a previous repair. 2 screws or screw holes have been covered with wood putty. Maybe this was an attempt to cover up an air leak or where a stubborn screw was drilled out. I plan to open the wind chest for further inspection. We'll have to remove the old dry glue that was used for the previous fix. We plan to look at the pallets, pallet guides, and springs in the wind chest. Several of these rods, I understand, are called stickers. Have something that appears to mend something which may be a crack. The base of the missing pipe is plugged with wax, making this pipe unplayable. This pipe has been unplayable for many years. Here's some scars from previous repairs. Here's some valves on the bottom of the bellows.